Hello, welcome to Around the House with Italian Tom, and today we felt like a little shrimp was being in order. So I've got, I think I put 10 in this bowl here. Now these are 21, 25 count, and I'm just cooking them for myself for a snack, so that's all I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using an egg. I'll put a little bit of Texas Pete hot sauce in there, if you hadn't heard that name before in a long time. And I'm going to use some of this Louisiana New Orleans style fish fry to batter them with. So let's get started. Okay, by the way, these shrimp have been peeled and deveined, and they've got the tail on. So now, if you like a little bit more hot sauce than that, you can go ahead and put it in there. I just want to spice it up a little bit. Okay, we've washed these things a couple of times. Now we've got the egg beat up enough. Alright, now I'm just going to pour it right in here. Let me just drain some more of this water off real quick. Matter of fact, I'm going to dry them just a tad bit, because we don't want to be cooking water. And this, I'll rinse this out. Now we're ready to go again. Now, they look pretty good. Okay, now we're just going to take this egg here and just pour right over on top of them. Now, if you're the hands-on type of person, you can always stick your hand down there and do that. I just don't like to do it. Nobody can keep from it. So now, make sure they're all good and soaked. Okay, I'm taking this Louisiana fish fry here and I dumped it down this plastic bag here. So now the next thing we're going to do, okay, now I'm going to take me a couple of tablespoons of this Parmesan cheese. I'll put right in this bag. Just like that. And now I'm going to take and dump this right in the bag with it. And now we're going to close it up and we're going to shake, shake, shake. Now we can go fishing for our shrimp here. Okay, now we'll take some of this Palm here and spray down the bottom of this pan. And it's not really to keep it from sticking, because nothing hardly ever sticks to this Ninja FOODi fryer basket. Just so it just help it brown on the bottom. So we'll come over here if I can get a place. Move it back a little bit. All right, now shake off the excess a little bit. Set it right down in there. This is when it comes in handy to know how many you put down this bag. And we'll just keep on putting them in there till we fill up the bottom of the basket here. Well, not till we fill up the bottom of the basket, because I know we can get more in there than 10 or 12. So I'll be back when I finish. Okay, now we've got 10 of them down in there. That's exactly what I had in the bag. I could have squeezed them up a little bit tighter and put some more in there, but no use in doing that. So now we'll use this cooking spray again to spray the tops of them a little bit. Because that stuff has a hard time browning and crisping up without some kind of a little bit of oil on it. Now, you know, usually shrimp cooks pretty quick, and so I'm not going to put a whole lot of time on here, so I'm going to just turn on the power, let it up, come over here to air crisp, and it's going to be on 390. I'm going to leave it on 390, and I'm going to leave it on 20 minutes, but I really don't think it'll take 20 minutes for it to cook, but we'll see. So then we'll hit the start button and let it go. Okay, now while you've got a chance, you can join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it. And thank you very much for all you folks that watches our videos. It means a lot to us, and that's all seriousness. So, we'll be back in a few minutes. Alright, now it's coming up on 10 minutes. When it gets down to the 10-minute mark, we're going to take a look in there and see what it looks like. I'm hoping they're about done. I'll tell you what, they sure do smell good, I can tell you that. Alright, now, I'll get my tongs here. I don't think they're done. So I will take one out and try it. I'll let you look. Let you look. Now this is one that I just turned over. I'm going to take him out and hit him with a fork over here, see what he looks like. Let's try to cut him real quick. Now it looks good. Now this is the bottom. And of course, it's what I always say about this Ninja FOODi Deluxe, that the bottom crispes up about as good as the top, if not better. What do you think? You can't see it good enough to think, can you? Now what do you think? That looks pretty good. I think I'm going to try a bite. Okay, I think I'm going to let them go for about another 5 minutes. Let me tell you, when you take about one of these, you better have you some water, or something else that you like to drink close by, because they're pretty warm. Okay, now I'm not going to flip them over or anything. I'm just going to start them back up and let them go for another 5. There they go. Okay, now let's take another look at these. They've been in there 12.5 minutes. That's plenty long enough. I'm not leaving them in there any longer than that, because these things are done. Okay, and I'll put me just a little bit of this pineapple and habanero, however how you say it, sauce down in this bowl here to dip a little bit with. Habanero sauce. That's what it is. Now, take one of these bad boys and stick him right there. Okay, get the habanero sauce on him. I can't hardly quit eating these. Okay, that's about it for this little video. And I hope you enjoy it half as good as I enjoyed making it for you. Because these are really good, and I'm fixing to go in there and sit down and finish these off right here. I better hurry before Kay sees them, because if she sees them and I didn't save her any, I'll be in trouble. So until next time, y'all know the drill. Wash your hands and stay away from everybody. And have a good and safe day, and come back and see me as soon as you can. And thank you for watching our videos. So until next time, goodbye now.